Ready to go!
1,
2,
3, let's go!
Hi guys! Kakarating lang namin sa Taiwan. Wala akong footage as in kahit dun sa airport kasi we had trouble yesterday. Sobrang dami na nangyari kahapon. A short summary lang sa nangyari. Nagkaroon ng problema, paper station, and hindi namin na-secure yung document na kailangan na i-present niya sa immigration dapat on the day of the flight. Inasikaso namin yun kahapon, mabilisan, ni-rush namin siya. And then, nasa airport na kami kagabi kasi kailangan namin malaman if kaya ba namin talagang makalipad today or i-rebook namin yung flight namin. So, after namin naayos lahat kagabi, naging confident na kami na makakalipad talaga kami today. Yun, mamaya balikan namin kung ano yung mga na-miss namin pagkain dito sa mga night market sa Taiwan. Andito na siya, say hello.
Hi.
We are off to Ningxia Market. Mag-night market kami for dinner.
Hot?
Hot!
We have barbecue, chicken number 1, beef, pork.
Yeah, this one.
Pork blood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Chicken heart.
For two?
Babalikan namin ang avocado milkshake dito. Oh, this is available, right?
Yes. Hey.
It's good. Oh, it's too soft.
Amazing, huh?
It's good.
Super soft and not too salty.
And eat the whole bite.
Sarah?
This sauce is really good.
明天要忙着弄晚点，打电话给你。
But,
Oh,
yeah.
Finally, huh?
I'm so happy.
Yours. This is yours. Marshmallow.
What's this?
Oolong tea with
这个建议是用小刀去吃上面。
You were really fast getting the socks. Uwi na tayo. Grabe yung ulan kanina. Pero nakakain pa rin naman kami. May take out pa. Ningxia Market. Binalikan namin yung pinakaunang night market na pinuntahan namin last January. Ito kasi dun yung pinakamalapit sa place namin. So, yeah. Lahat ng mga cravings ko, yun talaga yung unang kinuha namin. Right? You just say yes. Yeah, so that's summarizes all of our day-to-day, guys. We'll be seeing you again tomorrow. Bye!